Hello guys, welcome to a new YouTube channel. Here we will be exploring exciting and eye-opening opportunities around the African continent. Please do subscribe to keep learning and growing. So how one can invest in Uganda? So Uganda is a landlocked country in the East Africa. It borders Kenya to the east, South Sudan to the north, Democratic Republic of Congo to the west, Rwanda to the southwest, and lastly Tanzania to the south. It has an estimated land mass of 200,520 square kilometers and an estimated population of 45,741,000. As of 2019, the top exports of Uganda were gold, estimated at $1.71 billion US. Second, we had coffee at $382 million US. Thirdly, we had milk at $92.5 million US, followed by fish fillets at $90.3 billion US, and lastly, raw tobacco at $64.7 million US. The top exporting nations included the United Arab Emirates, valued at $1.74 billion US, followed by Kenya at $202 million US, then Italy at $126 million US, Germany $91.2 million, and lastly Netherlands at $75.3 million US. The top exports of Uganda were packed medicaments estimated at $280 million US, planes and helicopters at $121 million US, delivery trucks at $99 million US, cars $94.6 million, and lastly wheat at $88.5 million US. Moving on to the top importation destination, Uganda imported mostly from China with goods and services valued at $741 million US, India at $634 million US, Kenya at $619 million US, United Arab Emirates at $256 million US, and finally Japan at $177 million US. The country has one stock exchange through which one can buy or sell shares and bonds. The Uganda Securities Exchange, or USC, is the primary stock exchange of Uganda, which was founded in June 1997. The stock exchange currently has two asset classes available for trading, namely the equities and the fixed income markets. So we do have 18 listed companies available for trading, the latest entrant being MTN Uganda, which has 22.4 billion outstanding shares listed at the exchange. So how can one trade and invest in any of these 18 listed companies? So what you have to do, you have to go through a stockbroker licensed by the Uganda Capital Markets Authority. Below is a list of all the licensed stockbrokers which can be found on the stock exchange website. So below are the requirements for each investor category. So for individuals, that is locals, you need 3 colored passport photos, identification document, that is national ID, passport or driving permits. You also need a fully filled and executed Form 1A and a summary of the nature of business activities that the person is engaged in, or the details of the source of income, and lastly the disclosure of the risk appetite of the client. So the requirement for individual in the East African region include 3 colored passports, identification documents, that is national ID and passport only, a fully filled and executed Form 1A, a summary of the nature of business activity that the person is engaged in, or the details of the source of income, And lastly, a disclosure of the risk appetite of the client. For more information about investing in Uganda, please visit the following websites: www.usc.or.ug. Also, you can go to CMA Uganda. Also, you can check oec.world. And finally, africainvestor@gmail.com. So, thank you very much for watching. It has been a pleasure. So, please subscribe to keep learning and growing.